How to edit the public profile on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to change or edit the public profile on Snapchat, it is quite easy to do so. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store and tap on the search bar. Type in Snapchat, and if there is an update button right next to it, make sure to tap on it. This way, the installation should also automatically start once the download is done. Now that once the installation is completed, tap on the open button of the Snapchat. Once that is done, log in into your Snapchat account and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner. You can see two buttons, namely My Account and Public Profile. Tap on the second one, which is Public Profile. Then tap on the gear icon or settings icon on the top right corner, and there you go. From this profile setting pages, you can make any changes or edits to your public profile. However, if you cannot find this option, go to Bitmoji again, go to the settings icon directly, scroll down until you see the public profile section. You will see your username there, tap on it, and your public profile settings page will open. Now you can make any changes regarding the notification, managing your public stories, accessing support, and whatnot. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.